What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil, and today I need your help. When I say help, I need your input for my renovation. Just to give you a little background story, my wife and I just bought this house, and we want to move in, but it just needs to be updated a bit. When I say updated, I mean like full-on renovation. I'm talking about kitchen, bedroom, bathrooms, you name it. So in this video, we're focusing on the master bedroom and the master bathroom. So I'm gonna show you what I see, what I like. I've been doing some research on Pinterest, getting some inspiration, but honestly, I just wanted your opinion. So let me know in the comment below, and let's go begin the tour. Alright, so this is the master bedroom. As you can see, this is a pretty decent size, you know. One thing for sure I'm going to be removing is this light. So outdated, but I'm going to be removing that out. I definitely might place the bed here, remove this carpet, make it into an SPC flooring. Let me see over here. Over here, I thought about putting an accent wall here or there. What do you guys think? Should I put it in this wall or this wall? I'm a little hesitant on putting it on this wall because of the window right here. But tell me what your opinion is, and let me know in the comment below. Moving on to the closet. As you can see, it's a pretty long closet. Like, I want to say, give or take 12 feet maybe. You got two stands here, but I want to do something about this closet. The reason why I say that is because in this room, there's a little den or sitting area. There's a little fireplace, but I thought about just knocking down this entire wall and make this entire room as a closet. Because my wife has a lot of Indian clothes, I want to be sure to accommodate her. So over here, I'm going to be getting rid of the fireplace. Going into the bathroom, all these are carpet. Believe me, I have no idea why they put this in, but it is what it is right now. And I'm going to be putting a porcelain tiles here, pretty large. And this is the shower right here. We got the vanity. I'm going to get rid of this vanity, expand the shower up to this wall, and make two shower head and possibly a rainfall shower. And then I'm gonna have this vanity right here. I bought this from Costco. It's currently here. It's a 75-inch, so obviously I'm gonna have to knock out this closet, linen closet. So, but I also wanted to expand this entire bathroom and line it up with the fireplace. So when you expand this whole expand this whole bathroom, it could be right here, and the vanity could go here, and maybe in the corner, we could add a little closet. Moving over here, this is a tub. Obviously, I don't want this tub anymore. So that being said, since I'm going to be getting rid of the fireplace, I should have some room here. So I'm going to add in a standalone tub, which should make it look nice. But again, I don't really use the tub as much, nor does my wife do. And since I told you the shower is going to be all the way up here, we're going to have to close this out and make this into a door. So what do you guys think about that? Just take a good look with this entire bathroom. So based on what you just saw, tell me what y'all think. Do you like my idea? Do you recommend changing something? Please comment below. And that being said, I'm gonna keep posting more videos like this and this renovation journey. So subscribe, like, and share this video. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.